Have you ever wanted something so badly that you felt as though it was almost within reach? Have you ever felt as though you could almost touch your dreams and desires? If only you could unlock the power of your imagination? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will explore how to use the power of imagination to manifest your desires. We will examine Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption, the law of attraction, visualization, and affirmations. These teachings can assist you in unlocking the creative potential within. So, prepare yourself to delve into the power of your imagination and manifest your abundant life. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so that you won't miss out our future videos on manifestations. The basis of today's video is one of the Neville Goddard's lecture, which emphasizes that God in man is actually man's imagination. This serves as a creed of power and makes all things plastic, like clay, under its touch. By understanding how powerful and influential our own imaginations are, we can control our lives if we tap into this power and assert it in every aspect. A great example of this is when a young girl was able to turn her circumstances around by using her own imagination to foresee getting money from an aunt who had long ago sailed for Europe. She was able to imagine something that did not exist yet. She visualized her aunt sending money back home, even though she didn't know when or how it would happen. But sure enough, a few weeks later, her aunt sent money. This story illustrates just how powerful the imaginative process can be if we use our minds correctly. This video provides techniques on how one can actively use their imagination and make objectives possible, such as visualization exercises, affirmations, and principles of the law of attraction, and law of attraction, and law of assumption. It helps us understand that anything we desire could be achieved through creative visualization combined with positive thinking, leading us towards making our dreams come true. Unlocking the power of your imagination with Neville Goddard, How to Use Your Imagination, will surely revolutionize your life. Imagination is a powerful tool that can be used to bring about desired outcomes. By picturing in vivid detail what it would be like if your wish were fulfilled, it can help create a sense of certainty in the outcome. This technique involves focusing on all aspects of being physically present with the desire realized. This includes sensory vividness, such as touching and feeling objects or moving through space. For example, if you want a home but do not have money, you could imagine feeling the furniture and moving from room to room in the said house, or symbolically wearing a wedding ring to achieve marriage goals. By consistently and correctly utilizing this technique, one can achieve remarkable results towards realizing their desired states. The power of imagination is an unconscious urge that can be used to access our potential for achieving a more abundant life. According to Scripture, specifically John 14:2, "In my Father's house are many mansions." Here, a mansion does not refer to a literal place in heaven, but instead symbolizes one's desires when thought and imagined dynamically from within oneself. By tapping into this power, we can begin imagining states as possibilities rather than just thinking about what we want from this world. This helps us manifest our intentions and desires in life effortlessly, bypassing any resistance that may arise from our senses, denying the truth of what we hope for or wish for in life. By becoming aware of the power of imagination, it becomes easier to remain centered on fully feeling the wish, fulfilled state, even if the mind and body resist it at first glance due to unfamiliarity with such potentialities. This state can be accessed deeply enough through faith-filled feelings and expectant belief until manifestation is witnessed firsthand. Unlocking this powerful ability requires faith, patience, clarity, focus, and creativity, each essential component necessary for tapping into your own power of manifestation through visualization techniques, such as affirmations or meditation exercises. One effective exercise is rewriting disappointing events with desired outcomes through mental imagery. Maintaining positive emotions expedites manifestation. Our thoughts hold the power to create physical reality when focused on consistently and with a high vibration. Avoid doubting, as doubt breeds fear. Based energies counterproductive to achieving goals. Discipline and persistence are key throughout this journey, enabling quick realization, albeit not always instant. Patience can be rewarding when faced with challenges. By combining imagination and positive thinking, anything can be manifested. For example, consider the story of a woman who used this technique to find peace in her relationship with her daughter-in-law and grandson. Every night for 7 consecutive nights, she imagined 2 letters being sent from them expressing deep affection towards her. On the 8th day, she received a letter in which those same expressions were almost identical to what she had imagined prior. It was as if they had written it with her own words. This technique can be applied to any department of life, including health, career-related matters, or personal relationships. By consistently visualizing focused on positive outcomes, one can achieve an improved sense of satisfaction and well-being, as well as see their intentions fulfilled in life. Understanding how the conscious voluntary exercise of the imagination works can lead one into realms beyond ordinary experience. We are all capable of using our internal landscapes for creativity if we take time out from everyday life and focus on unlocking hidden reserves within ourselves that we never knew existed before. By embracing imaginative reflection, we have access not only to greater depths, but also to higher heights. Unlocking inner potential awaits those willing to commit time and effort to exploring them through the conscious voluntary exercise of imaginative thought. There is a power within each of us that unlocks our potential to create success and manifest our desires. Neville Goddard believed that the mood of individuals can precede and determine their fortune rather than the other way around. In order to successfully create something in life, an idea must produce a feeling that it is true. It is possible to experience feelings for things even if they are not physically present by using one's imagination. Using this same technique, dreams and wishes can be fulfilled as though they have already happened. To do this, it takes commitment and focus on visualizing what you want with positive emotion, as if it has already come true, while avoiding any negative thoughts or doubts about yourself or the future outcome of your goals. By understanding how powerful our imaginations are, combined with believing we can achieve what we want, anything becomes possible, no matter what circumstances we come across in life. Visualization combined with affirmations will help manifest whatever dream you have in mind into reality. So don't wait any longer. Start believing in yourself today. Unlock your inner power through visualization and belief so that you can achieve your goals, dreams, ambitions, whatever those may be. We are all dual beings, human from earth and Lord from heaven through imagination. Our human imagination cannot die. It only sleeps within our bodies until awakened. When awakened, it becomes powerful on its own terms, not needing outside assistance or trust in others, but relying solely on itself. Let go of the fear of rejection or success that holds us back from using this tool for self-realization. Imagine the possibilities if you freely unlock this empowering power within yourself. Winston Churchill famously stated that the mood of people determines their fortunes, meaning that how one feels about their circumstances can lead to greater success than their current resources or situation imply. Through visualization techniques such as imagining yourself achieving success or even smelling a flower when there is nothing present, this feeling can be cultivated with practice and focus. By employing mental imagery and assuming our wishes have been fulfilled in our minds, we are creating the potential for them to actually be realized in reality in ways we may not understand at first glance, such as through another person or circumstance. Ultimately, everything that happens is God's will. He has placed us where we are meant to be and is responsible for all the good fortune that comes our way through whatever means necessary. because He created all things in this world. May God bless you in your manifestation journey. Thanks for watching this video till the end.